Welcome back, friends, to a very special episode on my channel. I'm Dino, Chef Dino, dinovalbone here. Today we're going to make world famous Tommy's burgers. Tommy's Burgers, they are a burger place. If you grew up in LA, Rosco 401 is the one branch that we used to go to. It's a burger place where you would be open all night. And it was popular if you grew up in the 80s, as I did. After dancing all night in nightclubs, we would head on out 2, 3 in the morning to eat because we were hungry before we go to bed. And Tommy's Burger was one of those joints that everybody in the valley, San Fernando Valley, would go to do that. Their burgers were just the best. They are the best. They have a bunch of branches all over the place, but that's the one that I grew up around. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my best imitation. Of course, nobody can be Tommy's Burgers. We all bow we're not worthy to Tommy's Burgers, but we're going to try our best to make one very close to it, okay? I want to show you the ingredients we're going to use. Now, we have an avocado here. That's not part of the Tommy's Burgers, but we're going to use that in our burger. So what you want here is some kind of like pepperoncinis, or what are they called? Yeah. To go on the burger, okay? We want salsa de queso. Basically, it's cheese with some peppers in it. You can get this at the store. We have our Hormel chili. Now, this is the secret sauce right here, okay? This is the one with no beans, and make sure that there is no artificial ingredients like plastics and silicone and stuff like that. I guess. But that's what gives it what it is. A little bit of butter, all right? Of course, we have our buns. We're using brioche, but any bun will do. Sesame seed ones, I think, is the one they used. Now, I put this out here just to show you. I have 80% beef, ground beef here. This is from Trader Joe's. And the reason why I have this out is because this is a 1 pound package of ground beef. And if you take this and just cut it into 4 sections, you will get 4 perfectly quarter-pound patties, okay, which is what we have here. Now let me show you how I do my patties. So what you see here is basically just a quarter of this. I took it out, put it between a piece of aluminum foil, pressed it down. You can still see the ridges from when it was ground before packaging. Now, why this is important is this. The more this ground beef is manipulated, the chewier and tougher it becomes. Okay, so if you can leave it as it is, it just came out of the grinder, you just press it down, okay? The texture will be incredible, and it'll cook perfectly, it'll cook fast, it'll cook thoroughly. That's one little trick right there that I've learned throughout the years. So we have 2 patties. We have our cheddar cheese. I guess we should put this back in the fridge. And we have our buns, okay? So here we go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start making our patties here. I don't put them on the grill. I put them on fry them in a frying pan. Everything I'm using here is simply ingredients and tools that you have at home. You don't need a fancy barbecue or a grill or this and that to do it. So just about anybody can do this with some simple ingredients. With this part right here, the cheese, we're gonna microwave it, heat it up. Same thing with the chili, we're gonna heat it up before we put it on the burger, and we're gonna do that. So I'll meet you by the stove, and we're gonna start making the patties. All right, so we have our pan here. I have a little bit of peanut oil. I like to use peanut oil when I'm gonna high heat fry things because the burn temperature is higher and it doesn't give your food a burnt flavor. So we have the peanut oil going now. This is what the butter was for. Okay, so you can either omit this or put it in there. I think it just gives your patties a very, very, very yummier flavor. All right, here we go. So the patties. I should have put that a little bit further to the side, but we'll see if we can move it. Yes, we can move it. Yes, we can. And that one goes there. Now as it cooks, it's going to shrink a bit, so this overlap won't be a problem. All right. So you're going to cook this to the consistency you like, rare, medium rare, well done. These are thin, so they cook pretty fast. My pan could have been a little bit bigger. Again, we make do with what we can. All right, so I'm gonna cook this, gonna flip it in a couple of minutes and we'll be back. Frying these patties is a dirty job, but somebody's gotta do it. Yep, got some cleaning up to do. Well worth. All right, folks, so we're ready to put our world famous Tommy's burger together. We have our buns here, which we have toasted slightly. Here's the trick. This is the nacho cheese mix. We're gonna put this on both sides, on both buns. You have to try this burger recipe. It's a must try. It's absolutely delicious. We got our beef patties with our cheddar cheese. That's gonna go on top right there. Next, we are going to, another secret to recipe of Tommy's Burgers is our chili sauce here. We're gonna put our chili sauce.
Without beans.
Without beans, yes ma'am. And we got our jalapenos here, our sliced ones. You can use whole ones. This is a must-try burger. I tell you, you eat a burger like this, you're gonna forget about McDonald's, In-N-Out, Burger King, of course. It is just absolutely delicious. Now, there you go. Our world famous Tommy's Burger recipe, dinovalbone style. Now I want to show you something else here, a little added surprise. Lately I've gotten into fermenting vegetables, not pickling, but fermenting. There is a big difference between the two. We do not use any vinegar here. If you're taking probiotics and are big on that, stop wasting your money on probiotics, okay? Here, this is the best source of probiotics. What I do is I ferment vegetables. We have carrots and cauliflower here. I have another jar going with broccoli. We have cabbage leaves. Best source of natural, healthy probiotics that make it to your large intestine without the beneficial bacteria getting killed in your stomach. So if you're interested to learn how to do this, I have a video coming up. I'm going to show you how to do that. These are delicious, crunchy, delicious, and I'll tell you, perfect side to go with your burger here. Oh my gosh, I can eat this. You can have them on a charcuterie board. You can have them just as appetizer. It's fantastic. But here you go. Try Dino's world famous Tommy's Burger recipe. Live, laugh, love. If you like what you see, if you want to learn how to make these delicious probiotic fermented vegetables, like and subscribe to my channel. And if you don't, no hard feelings. You know, maybe next time. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, here's the burger in action. So what do you think?
It's delicious.
Yeah, it is. Must try.
It's awesome.
All right, enjoy.